What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Let's Prop In. If it's your first time here, I go by the name of Sbia. What we do in this show is that we explore and showcase beautiful properties in and around South Africa. Today we find ourselves in Newlands, Cape Town. I won't lie, this was a surprisingly beautiful find, a gem in Newlands I've never seen. You guys will like this one. Before we get into the video, massive shout out to Matthew Albert from Lexi Property for giving us this amazing opportunity to look at this property. And the algorithms are telling us that 90% of the viewers aren't subscribed. So guys, if you like what you're seeing, subscribe, like the videos so other people can find the videos. Thank you so much for the support you guys gave us on that last video. Let's take a look at this property. So a little bit about this property: 6 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. One of them is just a guest bathroom. Those of you quickly that don't know Newlands is between Claremont and Rondebosch. Newlands is known for the Newlands Forest, where there's many hiking trails that go up to Table Mountain, where there's spectacular views of the whole of Cape Town. But as you guys can see, this kitchen is quite impressive. And from the outside of the property, this property looks quite compact. But then as soon as you walk in, it opens up over 540 square meters of floor area on a 496 earth. So you can see how space was efficiently used on this property. We find ourselves in the kitchen, seamless finishes, high quality. Like to point out, this is stone top, which gives us this like a gallery style countertop, which obviously has a rainwater edge, which is quite beautiful. One thing I do love about stone is that the aging, the life, it's always alive. It feels like throughout your time with the property, it lives with you. It grows older. As you can see, there's a little bit cracks there, but for me that adds a little bit of character. Obviously whirlpool oven and gas hob. Seamless finishes. I love this color. Brings the textures out all these surfaces. And you have this beautiful, and this is a common theme in the house, these open slits of glass which bring about natural lighting. And let me take you guys around, but starting off with the living area. So this is the living area, dining room table, enough space for dining room table, and flooring, wooden flooring. I'm sure you can hear my footsteps. Lovely pause lounge area where you can just relax, have a sit back. And obviously in the winter months, there's a beautiful fireplace with an elongated tube that heats up the upstairs area, which we will show you guys a little bit later. I always save the best for last, but let's show you guys the best now. The clever use of stacked doors opens up and leads out into this natural flow of the space up until out into this grand patio area. And for me, this area is chef's kiss. For me, the best part about this home. It's quite tranquil. It feels like it almost gives me that Mediterranean garden style. You get a lovely patio, soft furniture, and if you look above me, you can see concrete. This is a cantilevered concrete structure held up by these steel columns here. And up above me are the bedrooms, which I'll show you guys a little bit later. So for me, this is perfect. You're secluded, it's quiet, amazing wall cladding using stone. I think that's it's aesthetic, I think, as opposed to just a natural or just a wall. Beautiful garden hedging this space off Obviously you have a pool. I like how the uses of natural elements or natural materials in this home. Lots of concrete, which I really love. And obviously you guys saw the stone on top of the countertops. So beautiful outside area. I could see myself coming out here with a couple of friends on a warm summer day. Today is a warm summer, not summer, but a warm winter day. I can see myself coming out here with a couple of friends, just chill down, good afternoon, maybe watching some sports. And one thing also about Newlands, which you might not know, or international viewers, is that it's also known for the stadium, rugby stadium, which hosts rugby games, and there's also a cricket stadium. So coming this side into the home, this is obviously the lounge, the pause lounge, and coming this side of the home, you get almost like a setup, TV room setup. Oh, guys, look at that. This is amazing. Let me show you guys this side. I really love this side, where I think this is quite common, all the videos that you've seen. I'll link one of the videos up there to show you this common theme. I love like these high-end properties have this feature where you have these glasses seamlessly meeting in the middle, just to emphasize the amount of natural lighting that's pouring into this area. So it's a lovely... Should I play something? Let's play some... No, actually, no. A little bit later. We're not here for that. So it's a beautiful TV area. Lovely for kids, I could assume. PlayStation. And here's a little bit of... I didn't see this at first, but this is quite interesting detail here. Fireplace here, seamlessly integrated into this wall. I think that's why I didn't see it at first. It's quite sleek, not obtrusive to the eye. It goes about its life quite secretly. I think I'll show you guys. So this home is 3 levels. It's a 3-level home. We are on the living area, which is the ground floor. Below us is like the garage, gym, guest bedroom, which is converted. And then upstairs are the 5 beautiful bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. So there's a lot of things happening in this home. Let me show you guys upstairs. Continuation of this concrete structure throughout the home. Lovely detail, which I really like you guys to notice, is this tall slit of this window, which lights up this area. It gives it almost like a cathedral style, which is quite interesting. I'm losing my breath here, I won't lie. So upstairs is the main living, or not living, main sleeping area. This right here, this is the queen that it thinks it is. Beautiful skylight that brings in abundant lighting into this area. So showing you guys the main bedroom, beautiful bedroom that has spectacular views of Bishopscourt, and you guys will see this for yourselves. And one thing I do like about this home is the abundant lighting that is everywhere. Every single place that you look, there's something that pours in the light into the home. Standalone bath, standard in every high class home. Continuation of the stone countertop, large mirror, shower here, and so you have everything you need in this bathroom, which is quite perfect for me. It's quite bright, I won't lie. Abundant storage here. And as you come this side, I mean, it opens up, guys. If you guys, actually, you guys will see this bedroom. Okay, let me be honest with you guys. Okay, it's time for me to be honest with you guys. I don't typically like when a bed isn't against like a wall, when the bed isn't against a wall like this. I feel nervous sleeping at a bed like this. It feels like I'm sleeping in the middle of a room. But I think here it works so perfectly. It just fits in so well with the room. I'm sure sleeping here isn't quite, is normal, I guess. So I am a believer now of putting your bed in the middle of the room if it looks like this, because this is stunning, guys. And obviously the views, guys, I can't speak more highly of these views. You can't wake up here and be sad. Well, I guess you can but you know what, you guys know what I mean. Look at this view, spectacular. You can see the whole Bishopscourt area, quite a leafy area. Obviously it's well known for the Newlands forest, and you can see everything from here. And this was the area where we spoke about in the beginning of the video about the cantilever. This is the area here. Let me show you guys the last part of this house, which we haven't seen, is the lounge area, pause area upstairs. Again with the skylight here, beautiful opening, which allows this beautiful area to be lit up. And as I said before, these are you guys will see it, we'll show you guys. These are the 4 bedrooms for the kids. We're not going to go into it. Quite similar sizing, good sizing, and with the 4 bedrooms it's quite flexible. You can break them down into 2 bedrooms, you can make into a study, whatever you want, quite flexible. This is the upstairs lounge area, also well lit. I think if there's one thing I do take away from this home, it's the amount of lighting which does come in here. Views of the Bishopscourt area, spectacular. This home does flow seamlessly. And one thing I should have mentioned in the beginning, this property is designed by award-winning architect Ian Gray from Crafts of Architects. So he actually lives here, so for him it was quite a personal project, which is quite cool. I find being involved in a project that you will live in. So just to bring it all together, a few things which I did absolutely love about this home is the outside area, which was quite calm, secluded, and quite tranquil. I think I could go out there any day of the week and feel at home, because there's high walls, and the wall, which was beautifully cladded, that overall area is beautiful, and as you come from that area, it flows naturally into the living room area. And as you saw, the kitchen area is beautiful, seamless, neat, natural countertop stone, which continues up to the top bedrooms, the countertops, which was quite lovely for me to see. And obviously the main bedroom, guys, I told you guys I'm a believer now because of that main bedroom, having the bed in the middle of the room and having almost like a walk path behind the bed, which is not normal, but something I will look towards in the future. So thank you so much for making it this far into the video. If you liked it, like it, you know what I mean? And please do subscribe. By the time you guys watch this video, I'm not sure whether we will be by 1,000 subscribers. Hopefully we will be by 1,000 subscribers. If we're not, you make sure that we get there. And anyways, tell me the best part which you liked about this home, and the people that keep on commenting and advising us on certain things. We really appreciate that, because this is not just our channel as us, it is all of our channel. And as more if you guys contribute to what we are doing, it helps everyone make a better channel. And before we close off, massive shout out to Matthew Albert of Alexa Property for allowing us access into this property. If you are interested in properties in and around Cape Town, definitely go to Alexa, check them out, and I'm sure you'll find something. Obviously, also big shout out, cannot forget the owners for allowing us to look at this property, Ian and Karen. Big shout out to you guys. Until next time, see you soon.